Hey guys, what's going on? Today's video, I'm making up beef flanken steak ribs. It's a real thin rib. I don't know if you're familiar with the cut or not. You'll see it in a bit. Also going to do a grilled cabbage, stuffed grilled cabbage. It's going to be money, going to be good. Stick around. All right, guys. So our ingredients are one relatively medium-sized cabbage. I've got 2 tablespoons of red onion. I've got 1 tablespoon of cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of mozzarella. I've got half a cup of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Now these were canned, okay? Also 2 teaspoons of, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, okay, mixed up. Also to that, we're gonna add all this to 6 tablespoons of butter, okay? I'm just gonna incorporate all that first, get all that in there, all right? Mix it all up. Going good. Get tomatoes in there with that butter. Always hit that bell. And then the salt and pepper. Okay, and that is it. Now what we're going to do with this is just kind of mix it up a little bit, stir it around, you know, kind of incorporate it. You want the butter room temperature. This is probably not quite room temperature, but it's okay. It's all going to melt together anyway. The main thing is getting the cheese and the tomatoes, salt and pepper mixed. Alright? Alright, set that aside. Go to the cabbage. We're going to rip off or take off the biggest leaf to go with it. Okay, set that aside. Coming in here now. I've got a serrated steak knife. Okay? We need this cabbage cored out. You don't want to go deep in it, or through it, I should say. You want to kind of go at an angle, fill a little valley in there that you're going to stuff. Okay, now get this going around. Okay, and then get your hands in there and remove it. We did it right. There it goes. It'll come out. Alright. Now, go back in, dig a little bit more. Of course, if I had a bigger knife, it'd probably hold together a little better. Alright. There you go. Kind of dig it around a little bit. Alright. We'll get all this out of here. Kind of to the side. Dig around it a little bit. Alright, like so. Okay, you got your cord out. Now we're going to get your mixture. Now, also, get aluminum foil and made this little ring. Okay, it's going to be kind of a stand. You can use it now because it helps hold everything together. Now get your mixture here. All that butter, all the cheese, tomatoes, and get it in there as best as you can. Okay, you got to smoosh it around, smoosh it down. That's all good. Alright, get all that in there. Again, you can go bigger, dump it in. Okay, just like so. Alright, get all this other stuff out of the way here. There you go, stuffed cabbage. Now, we get a big piece of foil, get our ring out of the way, like so. Okay. Just put your ring back on to sit. Alright. Now, I'm going to get a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle just a little bit of oil around the edges. Alright. Alright. Just a little bit more. There we go. Come back with just a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper on that outside. Just like so. Okay. Then we're going to get our leaf. that we took from the bottom. We're going to help cover that on top as best we can. Do this like so. Fold it up tight. Incidentally, this is very heavy duty aluminum foil. You may want to wrap it twice, but this is a heavy foil, so I don't need two layers. Pull it tight. Alright. And then we take this to the smoker, use this on the grill, and boom, just like that. Alright. Now, beef ribs. Our beef ribs. Next, flanken ribs, which is basically a short rib that has been thinly sliced. Okay. I am not going to remove any of the fat. These are going to grill real fast. And you don't need too much seasoning because they're so thin. But these are going to go good. And I'm seasoning this with Sucker Buster's 1836. Best rubs out there, buddy. Best rubs out there. Okay. That one on top of that one. Next one over here. Like so. So. And that's it. Now the cabbage is going to be on the smoker first. It's going to cook for about 2 hours, and then we're going to put these guys on because these will only take about 20 minutes, if that. Not even half of that, probably. All right, wrap these up and get that cabbage on the smoker. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're back out here on the Texans UDS. Love this thing. Just sit over here. Quick, simple. Just get your cabbage ring, dead center. And I'm gonna actually kind of go over that way a little bit because we got a good flame in there right now. Get that cabbage on there like that. That is it. Cover it up, and we're ready to rock and roll. All right, guys. You can see we are grinding here at 400 degrees on this UDS, and it's been at that temperature for over an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. Okay, that cabbage is ready. Okay, but we're gonna leave it alone because we're gonna get these ribs on and get them cooking. It won't take long at all for them to be ready. We're not grilling them, we're gonna kind of smoke them, but they won't take long. It's 400 degrees on here, guys. It's very hot. All right, there you go. Gonna leave this alone, maybe 10-15 minutes, come back, check it, and crank it up or move them around, do what we gotta do. All right. All right, guys, there's a close-up of those ribs. You can see, doesn't take long. They've only been on there for about 15 minutes. I flipped them once a little while ago, and they're about done. So what I'm gonna do is wrap them in some foil here real quick. Again, I'm doing this freehand, so bear with me. Rock thought. Again, it's not my first time doing freehand. Those in there, and this last one like so. All right, wrap those up tight. Not too smart doing an open barrel with flame where it's 400 degrees, but again, it's not my first time. So I'm gonna put them up tight like that, and see we're getting flame up in there. Tight like that just for a few more minutes, and we'll get the lid on and come back. All right, guys, looks like I did it again. When I went to plate that cabbage, plate the ribs, I did it, and I was talking and I didn't hit record. I noticed it last night after we were done. I done eating and it was too late. Cabbage was torn up and torn into and gone. Came out excellent. If you haven't done a barbecued or smoked cabbage, I recommend you at least give it a shot. It's not expensive at all, just a few bucks. Try it out, especially if you like cabbage. You've never had it that way. Again, I do apologize for not completing the video like I should have or wanted to, but it happens, I guess. I just wanted to share the video because you see everything that's involved, recipe and all that's included. So check it out. I'd appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. If you haven't, give a thumbs up on the video or any other videos. I'd appreciate it if you do that too. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.